In today's video, we chase down Storm Amy through my estate. Then this happens. Oh my god, the wind! Oh! That was crazy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. To a normal video, but we're here with Ushin and me. We're storm chasing today, Storm Amy. Let's go. Come on. We're currently chasing it to the middle, like kind of the side of it where it's apparently most windy. I keep on hearing stuff cracking, and yeah, I don't know. I heard a big crack behind me. I don't see much though. Alright, it's very wet. There's so many debris around. Like there's sticks near my house everywhere. We're gonna go down over there to where everything should be. It's having little seizures over there. I can already feel the wind. Oh my god, alright, it's starting. Yeah, it's starting. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, I already feel it. Alright, here we go. Oh, I'm getting pushed forward. Oh my god. Oh, darn. Yes. My bumper just came up there. Came up. Oh my god. Oh! I just felt a bit of... I just saw the trees like bend a lot. It's really windy. Alright, it's coming down. Ooh. Please calm down this wind. I beg you. Lord Savior Jesus Christ, please calm down this wind. Not keep us safe. It's getting really bad. Oh my god. Okay, wait. Okay, oh, leaves coming down. Oh god, oh, leaves are coming towards us. Oh, we need to go right now. We need to go. The winds are really picking up. I just drifted down that hill. Oh my god, we need to go. Oh my god. You good? Alright, we're gonna go down to my lane. Oh my god. Whoa. How are you doing? Woo. Ushin. Oh my god, there's leaves. Oh. Oh. Towards me. Oh, there's people shouting as well up there. And if we do see someone, there's people up there. Yeah. Oh my god, the wind. Oh! Oh my god! Oh, it's really bad! Tree just fell down there. Oh my god, there's debris all over the road. Oh my god. You okay? Look at this old debris from trees falling and branches falling out. Yeah. All of this. Oh, look at this. Oh my god. It's so mucky. Oh, shoot. There is a lot of damage here. Let me just park. There's so much branches. Hold on, there's a lot of damage here. Leaves all over it. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Oh my god. There's like a paintbrush that like blew away.
What?
A paintbrush blew away.
Woohoo!
Is your house okay? Is your house okay? Did your fence break in the storm? That's crazy. Guys, look at this fallen tree. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. There's still very, very bad wind. We've been storm chasing this for a while now.
Storm chasing?
Yeah. What is that? That's like burnt rubber. Oh yeah, I think a branch could fall on us. Look at that, guys. And look at Ocean, look at this branch there. Oh my god! This
You know the parkour video that has an hour run? We could type this one here.
Yeah, we should do that someday. Oh my god. Do you want to get this out of here? This branch. Do you want to get this branch out of here?
I'm trying to climb the tree.
It's too small. And that branch is about to break. I don't want to climb it in these conditions. That can make the tree. Oh my god. Yes. I'm trying to get this branch out. If I push it down, it might come up like that. Oh my god. Oshi, can you pull that branch that way?
Wait.
Alright.
What?
Push it. This branch just snapped. Okay, so go to that side and push the broken branch that way. Towards the big tree. It's getting really windy.
Wait, can I pull this out?
No, that won't work. That one. This one. The big one. Go pull that. Yeah, towards you. 3, 2, 1. And then I'm going to push it down. More this way, more this way. Come on. No. Okay, wait, here, let me, new strategy. Woo! So this branch clearly just... Yes! Storm chasing today. You don't really see these videos a lot, do you? This is like, we don't normally do any of these videos.
Yeah, we normally just do parkour and go-karting.
Here we go.
It's coming. Come on, Kevin. Come on, Kevin. Come on, Kevin.
You're cheering me on and you're not even helping. Yes! You ready for timber?
I know how
Come on! Come on! Timber! Woo! That's a big boy. And a branch clearly snapped off here.
Where did that
This branch is
branch
peeling.
come off?
Right here.
Oh.
And that must have fell that way. This branch completely just halved itself. No, nothing, no other damage that I see. Oh, around the side. We lost this whole branch. There used to be a massive branch right here. All here. There was a big branch. This is where Tig made his base.
Yeah.
That's why he dug the hole. What's that?
A bug.
Am I touching shit? Is that shit? Oh my god, that was shit. Lesson
Okay,
learned.
let's go.
Yeah, okay, we need to go. Yes, oh my god. Oh my god, I didn't even notice this tree.
What? Oh, it's
Oh my
so
god, yeah, it's squishy.
squishy.
This tree fell. house is a beast. What?
Like for go-karts here.
Yeah, I don't know if it'll fit. Oh my god, there's like a secret passage back there. It's like fenced, like the base.
Here, let's try to go-karts up here.
Yeah, that's the end of the fence. Alright guys, we're gonna bring the go-karts up here. Wow, it's so soggy. Can you guys hear that? That's so soggy.
Imagine driving a go-kart. We're doing that now. Kevin, I might have to push you.
Look at this guy's fence. Completely torn apart. This fence is gone. Oh, that one broke. They're very wobbly. Oh, it's windy again. I think it's starting to come down a tad bit, but not a lot. Look at that big branch. Yeah, okay. Oh. Let's get in the car. I'm just going to put my bag in the boot. Hold on.
Ah, lovely. Is it in?
No.
So much sticks now.
Yeah, I know.
And my controller's in there as well.
Yeah, I know. Mine is too.
Mine is too.
Yeah, it is too. All right,
Why did I say
bags in the boot.
And
Let's get cracking. Oh, it's so soggy. Oh, wow. I might be pushing you.
No, you're not.
Come on. Yes. I'm making it. Don't know about us, you know. He's making excuses. Come on. Oh, it's so soggy. He might be stuck there, but if he's stuck there, he definitely got stuck here. Hear this? That's not... Okay. Yes. Made it! No, not at all. I can see Finians from here. I can see Finians in a bunch of houses. Alright, well. I can spin if I want. Follow your own tracks. Follow your tracks. Oh my god, the wind. It's getting worse. Oh my god. My phone is... The wind's pushing my phone. Look at all these branches. Guys, bin fell. This house is completely destroyed. This thing toppled over because of the wind. It used to be sideways like that on that grass patch. Look at all this debris on the roads. Yeah. Oh. Wait, go forward if you can. Go forward. Yeah. Go forward, not backwards. Right. I'll meet you guys in College Rail. Okay, never mind. We have to go inside right now. The wind's picking up. Oh my god. Yeah, leaves are coming towards us. We can't stay outside anymore. We have to go. Oh my god, my garden has leaves everywhere and branches. It's going to be a big cleanup. Leaves here. Back to my original spot. Wow. That's insane.